Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on BeReal. To change your profile picture on BeReal, first of all, open up your BeReal application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile page, go ahead and tap on Add Picture at the top. Now, click on Camera or Photo Library and select the picture you'd like to add as your profile picture. I'm just going to select a picture from my camera roll. Adjust the picture within the frame and click on Choose at the bottom right. And there you have successfully changed or added a profile picture for yourself in BeReal. Now click on the Save button at the top right and there you go. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.